David Yehoshua with IUIC Los Angeles. And today, listen, we had a part 2 of the YMOV and the YDOS together with a software engineering workshop.
Shalom, Most High Christ bless, Soldier Enoch. Today we're doing a part 2 of the software engineering workshop. We had a bigger turnout. You know, we had the daughters of Sarah come through, and so we had to do a recap of workshop 1, and everybody got up to speed. So everybody has made a tic-tac-toe game.
Shalom, my name is Brother Gamaliel. I made a tic-tac-toe game.
Shalom, Diza, Israel. It's my role to assist the young ladies to do coding, because this is their first time doing it on this platform.
Shalom, Most High Christ bless.
What you working on, What you got going?
Well, right now I'm trying to create another game called Red Ball. I'm just typing it into gemini.google.com, and then after that I'm gonna paste it into GoldPen, and it will give me my game.
And their creativity is off the charts. I love seeing, you know, them working together. So when I'm coming over, I'm just filling in the gaps and really getting them to understand how to work with AI.
What is it about? We have to be able to teach them, give them options and different skills that they could be able to use and choose from as they continue to grow and apply themselves in the society, all right? So look, we want to shine our light. We want to make sure we build them up. And look, they are our future. And with that, I say shalom.